Still dry across our area, but the winds are brisk, and those winds are going to stay brisk in the higher elevations overnight. Notice the camera bouncing here. That's at our Gatlinburg Sky Park location, and seeing some gusty winds on the plateau as well. Look at the flags. That's Cumberland County and Crossville atop City Hall, looking down on Main Street, where we have winds gusting to 28 in Crossville, 32-mile-per-hour wind gust in Wartburg, 34 in Oneida, and even some of those higher elevations of the Smokies, we've got winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. So those higher elevation areas, they're going to continue to see winds gusting overnight. Temperatures upper 60s to right around 70 degrees right now across the area, so it is staying on the mild side, but it is dry for now. Notice the showers just starting to blossom west of the Nashville area. Strongest storms still west of the Mississippi River. So that's what we're going to be watching, that line, as we go overnight into early tomorrow morning. Picking up 6 predictor here, doing a pretty good job of where these showers and storms are developing. But watch as I go into early morning. I'll stop it at 2 a.m. It's still to our west. Better opportunity is going to be a little later than that, thinking maybe between 3 and 5 on the plateau. This is 4 a.m. And then this line will weaken as it slides south and east through the valley and especially into the Smokies. But really from Knoxville westward, there at least is a low-end chance for a few isolated severe storms where strong wind gusts would be our biggest concern. So again, timing 3 to 5 on the plateau or 2 to 4 central time, 4 to 6 eastern here in the valley, and really after 5 o'clock. And it's much weaker by the time it moves east over towards the Smokies. Since this is a late night, early morning event, we always stress, just make sure you do have multiple ways you can get alerts in case any storms do develop and go severe. Again, if you put it on your phone, great, download our free weather app, just make sure it's not on Do Not Disturb, right? You want to make sure you get those alerts. It's much quieter tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures are close to average in the mid-70s, and we're going to see a mix of sun and clouds. It stays dry through tomorrow evening at 11 o'clock, but here comes some showers and storms across the plateau, right? Those are moving eastward, and we'll have to see once again, a couple of these storms could be strong to severe. Again, some isolated damaging wind gusts will be possible, especially again, the western part of our viewing area. There's a level 2 out of 5 risk, or just above between low and medium threat for some isolated damaging wind gusts. Again, timing, we'll have a little better idea tomorrow, but we're thinking between 10 and 3 on the plateau and about midnight to 5 a.m. here in the valley. Then, as we go late Wednesday afternoon, another chance of a pop-up shower storm as a cold front moves through. Then it's quieter until we get to later Friday evening into the overnight. This is just going to be rainfall. No severe storms with this, just some much-needed rain the way it's looking, especially Knoxville southward. But we're also going to have some much cooler temperatures. As we mentioned last week, we're only going to see 60s for high temperatures Thursday through Sunday, and morning lows going to be in the 40s for most areas. And it looks like this trend as we start May is going to be well below average chance for temperatures here. So again, as warm as this has been April, this so far has been Knoxville's warmest April on record. We can start May on a totally different kind of note here with some much cooler air. So we'll keep an eye on the storm chances overnight. Just know that that morning commute's going to be a little on the slow side. Another opportunity of showers and storms late Tuesday night into Wednesday, Bo.
All right, Kim, thank you. Sports Director Sam Granville joins us now. Lady Vol